So guys, in this video, I will show you the very interesting and amazing Figma plugin that will dramatically speed up your workflow and take your design to the next level. So first up, we have a plugin in this going to blow your mind. So here is the HTML2 design. Imagine being able to take any website instantly and convert into a fully editable Figma design. So now you can see in your screen, if you want to edit this website, just click on it. Then you can easily change and you grab the entire structure, layout, and element of any website. So it's a perfect for competitive analysis, inspiration, or quickly prototype based on existing design. So designers say goodbye to tremendous manual recreation. So next up is the Icon 8 background remover tool. So, with the help of this tool, if you don't have access to Figma's AI tool, then this is your go-to solution for removing image background. Simply select this image and hit the remove background. So, move on the plugin, click on the go on the plugin and icon 8 remove background, click on the remove background, is start working on it. So, it says that this image is too large, so I just want to change this image. So after hit the remove button, now you can see easily the picture will ready for you. Now you can see it's a background and it's after removing the background. I show you now. It's look like that. If you want to remove any background from image, so you can easily use this. So speaking of visual polish, let's talking about adding some depth to your design. So the next plugin in our list is some beautiful shadows. So now guys, this plugin help you to create a smooth, realistic shadow that add depth and dimension to your UI element. So here is the very interesting and amazing tool. Before we continue with our plugin list, I want to share a bonus tool that not actually a Figma built in, but some things even more powerful for designers. So here is the very interesting and amazing Pixels plugin. So Pixels is a game changer for designers who need high quality free images with millions of photographics contribute by over 1 lakh photographers worldwide. So you can find the perfect image for your project. So, and the best part, they are completely free for both personal and commercial use. So now if you want to click on any HD images, I just want this picture, just click on it. Now you can see the resolution of image is very high, and now you can see easily the very easiest method if you want to add any image in your design. So move on the next tool. So here is another very interesting tool. So here is the very interesting plugin. So hello, hi to batch gradient. So this plugin take gradient to a whole new level. It lets you to create a stunning and complex 2D mesh gradient that adds sophisticated and depth to your background, like illustration as well as the UI designing. So if you want to add this gradient, here is a very interesting and amazing mesh gradient. If you want to update and edit your gradient, now you can easily. So here is the collection of gradient. Now you can see it's a very stunning and amazing design if you want to apply mesh gradient in any website or and another any UI UX designing as well. So guys, last on the list, the Talvin CSS color generator. So if you always find too difficult to create a color palette for your project, so simple, you plug in, it's create entire color scales from six single hexa color, but that's not all. It's create color variable and color style as well. You don't need to manually create them anymore. So if you want to cover the top AI tool that can 10x your design workflow, make sure to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. So if you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more design tutorial. Have a beautiful day and see you soon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.